so tight that it's so painful. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Jocelyn and I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Today I have another fashion hacks video. This one is for underwear, especially for bras. Muffin is distracting me. She just decided to be on top of my bras and my shapewear and everything that I'm going to be showing you today. And stay until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal my new shapewear that I am obsessed with it. It all started because I was looking for invisible straps for my bra. You know that yes, I wear strapless bra, but for me, if I can keep wearing my conventional bra, that's the best because I'm super attached to it. I found them. These are the straps and they are super convenient. Just make sure that your conventional bra has the option to remove the straps, right? Just to make sure. Okay, moving on, I found these clips that are amazing. I didn't know, to be honest with you, that they exist, but they look like this. And the intention is that in case that you don't want to show the straps of your bra because you're wearing a racer back or you're wearing a halter bra, the intention is that you secure the two straps of your bra with this one, and that will help you to avoid to show the straps of your bra. Very convenient, very convenient. You can wear them at the back or you can wear them at the front. You can find them on the clear color, nude color and black color. And as always, I'm going to link all the products that I'm mentioning as part of this video in the description box below. Another product that I found on Amazon are these straps. I have them in black, nude, and this is like a pinky, color. Yeah, I have the three colors, but these are not your conventional straps that you are going to be holding your bra. No, these straps are to hold your straps. Yes, these straps are going to help you two ways, okay? The first one, if you have a bra strap situation that is just falling down and you adjust it and that strap doesn't want to behave, you attach this one to one of your straps, the strap that is giving you the problem, and voila, that will fix the problem. The second way that you can wear these ones are to avoid to show the straps of your bra. In case that you have a racer back or a halter back, and in case that you don't have the clip or you don't have the clips that I just previously showed you, this can help you as well. You just attach this strap horizontal to the two straps of your bra, and then you're going to adjust to the desired length. You can wear them at the back of your bra or you can wear them at the front of the bra. It doesn't matter. They will help you really well. The next hack that I'm going to show you, I wish my grandma knew about this one. Both of my grandmas, but particularly my grandma from my dad's side. Yeah, so the thing is that she had, by the way, she passed away many years ago, but I remember because I was little and she showed me. The problem was that she had big breasts. She was very skinny but with big breasts, to the point that the straps of the bra were leaving her marks, like they were too tight, and she was at the max length of the straps. And at that time we didn't have like these hacks or these type of things, right? So she need to live with that. So that was very unfortunate. But the good news, in case that you have a big breast and you have the same problem as my grandma, well, Amazon has these silicone pads that you can put them underneath the straps of your bra, and that's like a little cushion. Instead of the strap putting pressure on your skin, it's going to put pressure on the pad instead of your skin, and that's a really good thing because that will avoid that mark, right, that the injury that the strap is causing. Another product that I found that I think that is super helpful are these tight bands. These ones are super helpful, especially if you have the inconvenience of shaving legs or shaving between tights. This will help you so much, right? Because sometimes when you're shaving legs, you have this redness on your skin and it doesn't look good, it's painful, and yeah, The good news is that we have these tie bands. Of course that you can make them, right? That will be so easy if you're into sewing, for instance. But if you're like me, if you're like super busy and super lazy, I just prefer to buy them on Amazon, and that's it. The next one that I have, I'm pretty sure that you are aware about this, but for me it was like right? And these are bra standers. In case that your bra is too tight, you know that the number that we have, the 32, 34, 36, 38, is the diameter of the elastic of the bra, right? But sometimes you are between sizes, so these ones, they are super convenient, right? In case that you are between a 32 and a 34, right? These ones can help you with that. I bought them in white, black, and nude. I am pretty sure that you are aware about the sticky bra or the nipple stickies, and they're super convenient. I just want to mention that because obviously you can find all these at Amazon. The only con with the sticky bra is that I don't recommend to wear a sticky bra when it's like 80 or 90 degrees Fahrenheit. When you have hot weather, do not wear it because you're gonna have a sweaty girlfriend situation that is pretty nasty. You can go ahead just with the nipple stickies, right? Because that way you're not gonna be sweating here. But if you're not into the nipple stickies, right, because you need support, I highly recommend a strapless bra. Or if you are not into strapless bra, again, you can just go ahead with the clear straps, and that will help you with that. But in case that you are backless, I highly recommend the nipple covers. The other things that they sell at Amazon that I sell them over there, in case that you are backless, they sell these straps. They're extenders for your straps, and then you can just adjust the straps through your waist, and that's another way to go backless without showing the strap of your bra. Okay, now I'm gonna show you this one that is very interesting. Honestly, I didn't know that this one exists, and when I saw it, I was like, whoa, okay, that's interesting. And it is this little guy. Yes, it has sticky, it has this tape in the front and the back end, but let me tell you what it is. It is a thong. Okay, so you put this at the front and this at the back, and here you go. This will avoid to show the seams of your underwear. So instead of wearing a thong that you still have some of the thong showing, right, in case that you're wearing a bodycon or you're wearing a nice gown, this can help you. Yeah, I don't think that is reusable. I won't reuse it. But yeah, it's very interesting, and yeah, that's the solution that Amazon is selling right now. Very cheap, guys. This one was like $9 or something like that, and yeah. Okay, so this video is almost over, but I don't want to finish this video without showing you my shapewear. You have been asking me about my shapewear, and this is a shapewear that I always wear. This is the only one that I have, and it is from Walmart. I believe it cost me like $30 or something like that, and the size that I have is size small. You know what I think about shapewear. I'm a huge fan of shapewear. I believe that skinny people needs it as well, because that will avoid to show the rolls of skin here at the front. It will give you a lift. It will make everything to look smooth and nice, right? Especially if you're wearing bodycon dresses or any type of clothing that is tied to your body. But I recently discovered this one. And this one is from Amazon. It's a tiny thing because it's going to give you support. Okay, so first of all right, as you can see, it has this is the back of the shapewear, and can you see this? Okay, so these little guys are for your bump, and that will help to lift your bump. The other thing that is super nice about this shapewear is that the support that this one has is amazing here at the waist. And since it's a tighter here than here, the hip section, it will give you a nice waist and it will make your hips a little bit more prominent, and that's always a good thing. It has these wires at the front and the back, so that will avoid to roll down. You know that sometimes we have that issue. By the way, I don't have that issue with my shapewear, okay, because it has this silicone, and that helps the shapewear to stay in place. Well, this one doesn't have that silicone. Instead, it's super tight, and it has these wires. With the wires here, you feel that you just need to keep your good posture. That's another problem. The only con with this shapewear is that runs small. Yes, because when I wore it for the first time, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so tight, that is so painful. And I wore it for the video. All the dresses are size medium. I size up because you never know with Sarah, and I'm glad that I made that decision because it fits like a glove. Obviously, you need to wear shapewear, otherwise you're gonna be showing the seams of your... I finished the video and that's it, but I think if I size up, will be better, and I already ordered the size medium/large, and I think that will give me the support that I need and the bump, the lift that I want. Alright guys, so that's all what I have for fashion hacks for underwear. Hopefully you like it. Please let me know if you know more hacks for underwear. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive notifications every time that I post a new video. And please continue watching videos here. I'll see you there. Bye bye.